Oh, is this thing even on yet? Oh, there's Poseidon, god of the sea.
Cyclops, you're a sight for sore eye.
Good one. Oh, look, it's Calypso the nymph.
Oh, Sai, why come you not visit me on my island?
Oh, boy. Hey, here comes Circe the witch.
Greetings, Cyclops. Can you see me?
Yeah, can you see us?
Yes, but we're not seeing eye to eye.
Oh, there are 2 drink minimum for this Zoom meeting. Oh, there's the man himself. It's Odysseus.
Cyclops, my favorite pupil.
Oh, no.
Cyclops!
Hey, Penelope, thanks for joining us.
No problem, One-Eye Guy.
Wow, didn't even try, did ya?
Nope.
Well, anyway, so nice to see everyone. How long's it been?
About 3,000 years.
That's right. Well, oh, look, the siren's in the waiting room, let me admit.
Oh, why can't we hear the siren, huh? She's underwater.
What, no Wi-Fi underwater? Come on, Poseidon.
We have AT&T.
Well, I'm glad I could get you all here stacked on top of each other in little tiny boxes. You know how these cast reunions are all the rage right now, right? Well, I thought, the world needs us. It needs our story.
Oh, you mean my story?
Well, that we are all in.
Yeah, because of me.
No, because I let you go.
Oh, now wait just a minute.
Oh, I had to wait for 20 years.
They say divorce rates are up because of this.
Because of Zoom meetings?
5 episodes over 5 weeks, about 10 to 15 minutes each.
Oh, shut the front door. I can't possibly tell my story in less than 10 minutes.
Now, have you asked Homer, huh? He gave you final approval?
Homer?
You know, the writer of the story.
Oh, I thought you were underwater.
And now I'm not. I'm at Huntington Beach practicing social distancing.
But look, everyone is so close together.
We're not good at it yet. We're practicing.
Well, look, anyway, I don't really see the need to involve Homer. Uh-oh.
What?
Well, it looks like Homer's in the waiting room.
Oh,
Oh, dear.
crap.
Oh, don't.
bye.
Don't leave me. All right. Cyclops. Homer!
What the f are you doing?
Oh.
I just got a text from Poseidon that you're trying to rewrite my epic poem.
Maybe it could be a little shorter.
It's over 12,000 lines long, you know.
Yeah, I know.
It's 24 separate books.
Yeah, it's a wham doozy of a whale didder.
It's way too long.
Oh, well then you'd be open to it?
Yes, I'd be open to it.
All right then, so you'd be open to it.
Now, who's it for? Is it some established cultural institution of learned quality and essence of greatness?
It's the Getty Museum.
Oh. Not the NFL?
No.
Oh, all right. Just don't mess it up.
Oh, well, we'll try not to mess it up.
I'll be keeping an eye on you. I'm sorry.
Oh, here they come, like cockroaches when the lights are off.
Oh, good job! Good job, Cyclops! I knew you could do it!
Uh-huh. You sent him a text, did you, Poseidon?
I did not send him a text. It was a DM.
If I had an eyelid, I would squint at you right now. Look, oh, I'm squinting.
Boom, 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 boom.
All right, well, look, everybody, Homer's cool with it, so we're doing it.
Wonderful! Now we get to tell our story.
My story.
That I let you do.
You didn't let me do it. I had to go.
Is it too early for a cocktail?
Took advantage.
Yes, you took
You took
advantage.
advantage.
Get a backbone.
Reunited, and it feels so good.
You don't get enough of my bone.
Oh.
Series starts July 19th. For more info, go to... What? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, that's better.
Yeah, sheep, move along.